Hi, I'm Aid from Morris Lubricants, and today I'm with our brand ambassadors Dave Jenkins and Guy Martin, and we both know that they're involved with competition motorsport, and we've looked at how they use our lubricants, and we know that they use our lubricants in the commercial vehicle world as well. But beyond that, of course, we, as Morris Lubricants, we do everything from steam all the way up to EV and everything in between, so there's a lot of technology packed away in there. So really the question to you guys is, outside of your motorsport world, outside of your commercial vehicle worlds, how do you get on with Morris Lubricants, and where do you use it, and how do you find it basically?
Yeah.
Where do you start?
Yeah, where do you start?
Yeah,
where do you stop?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
My life's much like Guy's, it involves anything with wheels on. So it doesn't matter, on a Sunday afternoon we play with the kids with motorbikes and two-stroke engines that need Morris products in, or we need chain lube for the push bikes. Got a few of my toys and a bit of my vintage collection going on.
We can see
this old girl here, this was where motorsport started in our family. This was a replica of the truck that my dad raced at Donington in 1984 against Barry Sheen and Steve Parrish, and I was a little blue-eyed boy watching my dad racing. And we built this for Dad 8 years ago. Gave it to him for his 80th birthday as a replica of what we used to do.
Oh, wow.
So this is full of Morris oil. And
full of emotion as well. Full of emotion.
Oh, full of emotion, And then this was a little toy. I walked in the local bike shop one day, and so this leaks plenty of oil out. So this is good for Morris oil. It needs fast as you pour it in, it comes out the bottom. So I walked in the local bike shop. So that was a bit of a magpie moment. I saw the shiny bike. It was a day before my little boy's second birthday.
Oh, okay,
I bought him that for his second birthday because it was the only way I'd be allowed to bring it home. so that has Morris oil poured in it every day.
Yeah.
And you're leaning on another one of mine and George's projects there. So that was his third birthday present. So he's 4 in August, so the pressure's on.
So what do you fancy for his fourth?
I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but Haley's going to bust me soon, isn't she? So, but that tractor's been in my partner's family for many, many years, partly restored. And we're about to find out what Morris products we can put in that. We've mainly been using maintenance spray so far, pouring it down the balls to seize it off, to unseize it and free her off. So we've got it turning over, got it sparking.
Excellent.
So when Guy stops drinking tea, we're going to see if we can get carburetor on it.
And we can advise you, of course, on the correct lubrication for this beast, so not a problem. When its time is ready, Perfect.
So, no, the Morris products, they're there. There's something there for every occasion. You know, whether it's work or at home, or whether it's the end of the day washing your hands to go in for your tea, it fits the bill for me.
Yeah, perfect.
About the same. I've taught him Morris hand cleaner. Bloody hell, I mean, just every area of my life, really. I suppose, from trucks, tractors, motorbikes, push bikes, chain oils.
Yeah.
Bloody hell, man. Yeah, everything. My lawnmower, my strimmer. You know what I mean? Yeah, we don't go far using a bit of
and of course with your farming side of what you do as well. That's a business as well, isn't it, for you as well?
Tractors, grease in the trailers. Man alive, we get through some gear. Back end oil, 200 litres a time. Them tractors all 200 litres in the back end.
Really?
You wouldn't think, would you?
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, a lot of oil in them, boy. A lot of oil. No. Yeah, lawnmower. In fact, it's just that time of year. I've just started mowing the grass. I give her an oil change.
It's a busy season.
No, that's it, mate. That's it.
Perfect. So we're keeping you happy. That's the main thing.
We're always happy, aren't we?
Keeping your hobbies and your pastimes happy.
100%. Yeah. Until I got involved with you guys, I didn't realise. I just thought you did the odd bit of engine oil here and there, but it's everything, isn't it?
We've been too quiet for too long.
You have, and it's all the other stuff and all. You mean like MD4s and solvent cleaners, solvent degreasers.
We do,
Dashboard cleaner. You don't call it that. You call it what do you call it? Surface conditioner.
Surface conditioner.
Absolutely. One of my favourites.
Buff up your plastics and your bumpers.
I could call it spray generally, but you know what I mean. Go on, all the sprays, copper grease spray.
All the different greases we do.
White grease. You know what I mean? It's sort of endless.
Yeah, well, I mean, we need to support the main product line, so I'm glad all the ancillaries work for you as well, because it's always handy to have that can on the shelf just for when you need it. So
Purolene parts washer.
Parts washer, yeah.
That's mean stuff, that,
Yeah, well, it's not bad. Yeah, and obviously you say the white spray grease, great for your door hinges and whatever else. So
washer bottle.
Yeah.
Washer bottle stuff. What's it called?
Screen wash.
Yeah, screen wash.
Yeah, absolutely.
I could keep going, boy.
Yeah, you could. I could tell. Yeah.
Hey.
So we're keeping you happy, basically.
100%, mate. Yeah. You look after us the best.
Perfect, yeah. And I know you guys would be honest if we weren't, so thank you for your candour.
Yeah. I've got honesty Tourette's, mate. I'll soon tell you, don't worry. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, cheers, Dave. Cheers, guys.
That's our
Thank you
job,
very much.
mate. Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Thanks a lot. Cheers.
That worked.